everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play foosball. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This game right here is called foosball. I grew up in an Italian household, so I grew up calling this gettoni, but I believe that the official name is foosball. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, it is basically like a soccer field, except you are controlling the players in lines using these handles over here. So each handle has an associated rod, okay? And you can move it back and forth. So if you see right here, you can move it back and forth. And when you move it back and forth, it moves the players in unison back and forth, okay? If you turn it, you can turn the players. So whenever you turn it in one direction or another, you can turn the players. Now, there are different rules. Like, some people will play where spinning is not allowed. And this is like spinning if you go like that, right? To hit the ball like that. Other people will play where spinning is allowed. It's kind of up to your own discretion, okay? Usually, though, spinning is not really something that is allowed as a rule of thumb when you're playing at sort of like a professional level, or if you're playing like this as like a serious game, okay? So on one side of the foosball table or gettoni table, there's going to be a little pocket and there's going to be some balls in there. Now, these are the playing balls. They're quite hard, okay? You can hear they're quite hard. And basically, one person, usually the person who's on the side of the pocket over there, is going to go ahead and throw the ball into the middle, okay? And then the players are going to go ahead and spin their levers, okay, to hit the ball. Now, in this case, the ball cannot be touched by either player. So if this happens, you kind of just go like that, and you can go like that, and boom! When you hear that sound, that means you scored, and then the ball comes back over here, okay? So the objective is to hit it inside of the net. As you can tell, I played a lot of gettoni as a kid. This is my parents' basement. This is my parents' foosball table, so we had many hours playing this game. Many nights and many hours. Since the red team scored a point, we pull one of the points towards us, okay? On the other side is the blue team, and if they scored, they would pull a point towards them. What happens is, you get the next ball, okay? And you throw it in. And you keep playing. You can pass the ball backwards, right? And then I can attack it with these players over here, just like that, okay? Now, I'm playing with one hand, bear with me. So, as you can see right here, if you're in a situation like this, you can kind of swing it to the side, and then boom, you can just swing it to the side and launch it like that. Boom, another point for the red team. Just like that. That's how it's done, okay? I'm playing against nobody, obviously, but like I said, that's how to play. Other than that, you know, you can slide the ball. Like, there's a few little extra maneuvers that you can learn how to do, which would be, I'm going to try and get the ball to stay right there. Even if it doesn't, you can slide the ball and then hit it like that. That's another maneuver that you can learn how to do. And then let's say they would hit it, right? Or I could hit it, either way. But like I said, the idea is obviously you're not going to be playing by yourself like I am. Boom! Another point for the red team. You're not going to be playing by yourself, so the ball's going to go back and forth, back and forth. And yeah, it's a really, really fun game to play. As you can see, the points are there. You can keep track of your score with regards to who won however many rounds or not. It's kind of up to you. But that's how to play. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.